For this video, I will talk about how you can find good tags to rank your design on Redbubble. I wish you give me a like and subscribe to the channel. That's helped me a lot to do more videos like this. So let's start. So first, there is a lot of methods to find good tags on Redbubble. So first method is visit a site called related words, and write any keywords you want. So let's search for dog, for example. When you type a keyword, the site automatically give you all words related to this keyword. So you just copy the keywords here and use it like a tag on Redbubble. So like you see, pitch, puppy, hound, wolf, all these keywords is related to dog. The second method, it's simple. You search on Redbubble. For example, let's type dog. Choose a design. After, scroll down and voila, this is the tags the owner of this design uses. You can copy it or you just inspire and get ideas from this tag. The third method, it's also simple. Go to wikipedia.com, search for any keyword you want. For example, coffee. Focus on all words with links like this one, like you see here, coffee, all these keywords with links is a keywords. You can use them like tags on Redbubble, and also these keywords have a small competition, and believe me, Wikipedia helped me a lot to rank a lot of my designs on Redbubble. The methods number 4, go to this site and type the keyword you want, and here in the country you want to target. Here, for example, let's type dog again. And the site, click at here. No thanks, I want to continue without sign up. And if you want to sign up, it's easy. And the site generates to you hundreds of keywords for free, and then choose the keywords of your niche and use it like a tag on Redbubble. Like you see, all these keywords, it's a long tail keywords. Is it good for tags? Believe me, the long tail keywords is the best keywords. So guys, this is the methods I personally use to search for good tags to help my designs rank on Redbubble. You can see it all. You can use it all or just one. This is your choice. I recommend to take your time when you want to enter your tags, because Redbubble rank designs based to title and then the tags. So this is the end of the video. If you love these methods, don't forget to subscribe in the channel and give the video a like, and see you in the next video.